Saddlery and shoemaking is anything that works in leather, handcrafted.
I had no idea that it was a course.
That it still exists, full stop. We still have the traditional British handcraft skills available and youngsters can learn them.
Making something by hand feels really good. Seeing it come from just a hide of leather to the finished product.
The best thing about being on the course for me is the design aspect. It's really lovely to see come to life. You're able to hold it and you know that you've put all that work into it.
Once you've made it up, you see something that you really like, you've got to keep for the rest of your life, it's going to last.
I didn't want to be stuck behind a desk all day. I'm very creative and saddlery and shoemaking is what allowed me to do that.
Students that graduate from us end up working either as wool saddlers, shoemakers, bespoke shoemakers, orthopedic shoemakers. Royal Opera House got a student that runs their repair workshops for Chanel's in Croydon. Rolls-Royce, we got saddle makers there doing the seats.
Doing this course, it opens a lot of opportunities. Bill Amber, Rolls-Royce, saddle makers, bridle makers, harness makers.
Keeping the traditional craft alive, jobs for the students out there. Not something I think AI is going to take very quickly.
Do it, it's worth the risk.
Just give it a go.